Welcome back, all you lovely people, to The Very Organized Thief. This game apparently either is or was at one point the best, the #1 game on GameJolt. And I guess it's just a puzzle game, but I don't know. We're gonna find out. Sorry it's been so long. I've had a lot to work on. Oh my. Oh, this is pretty nice. Pick up. Oh, thank you. Oh, good. Can I pick you up? Dude! Best game ever. Oh, Grandpa! Grandpa! Oh my god. Grandpa. This doesn't disturb me at all. Oh, yes. It's just my battering ram. Get... So wait, is this not my house? Grandpa, come on. We've got work to do. Thank you. Alright, let's go, Grandpa. Is this not my house? Am I... Hold left shift to run. E to toggle torch. Well, considering they just called it a torch, I'm gonna guess it's British. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Q for checklist. Oh. Things to borrow. Laptop, microwave, perfume bottle, game console, guitar, statue, TV, gold bar. Okay. Well, there's the guitar. Oh, cool. Took it. Thank you, sir. TV. Game console. It's probably right there. Yes. Alright, Grandpa, let's go. Grandfather clock. Where'd you go? What? He's just behind me knocking stuff over. Oh, hello. Oh, I can't take it with me. Bye. Oh God. Grandpa, you're gonna wake him up. You're gonna wake them up. What's on the chest? Perfume bottle. Perfume bottle. Statue. Gold bar. Laptop. Laptop! Oh, that looks just like my laptop that I'm playing on right now. Just kidding. My laptop has a flippy screen. Alright, Grandpa, are you done? My God. You're so loud and obnoxious. Ugh. Why do I take you anywhere? No, it's not because I love you. You know what? I'm not taking you with me anymore. Lamp, you're my new friend. Shh, I'm a lamp. Launch it. Okay, here we go. Bread. Yes. That's very helpful. Microwave, perfume. What? Okay. I'm gonna take that as a bad thing. Oh jeez, that's what I thought. Oh my God! No! Hey! Wait! Grandpa! God damn it! I knew there was a catch. I tried to go hide. Okay. Oh, it's new stuff. But I know where some of this is. Okay, I need to hurry this time because... God dang it. Can't you see I'm busy? Oh, wait. Nope, not you. Okay, I don't need either of you. Oh, they moved it! Oh my god. DVD player, jewelry box, headphones, gold bar. Bracelet. I think I know where the bracelet is, unless they moved it again. Oh, I got the office key. And the bracelet. Okay. Toaster! Oh, toaster. Yes. Okay, what else? Microwave. Where am I putting all this? Right up my butt. That's where. DVD player, jewelry box, headphones, and guitar. Okay, well I haven't seen the rest. I don't think anything I need is in the garage. Going upstairs. Okay. I don't think there's a ring. I'm gonna drop your ring in the toilet. Boom. I'm such a jerk. Money. Okay. Okay, that means I'm running out of time. Pete's sake. Headphones. Okay, I need a guitar, a DVD player, jewelry box. Jewelry box. Jewelry box should be up here in the bedroom, right? That's it. Oh, okay, there we go. Money stack, money stack, money stack. Yes. Okay. I've got a guitar, a DVD player, and a gold bar that I need to borrow. There's a DVD player. ¿Dónde está la guitarra? ¿Dónde está la guitarra? There's the guitar. And I'll come in and hide here if the owner comes. Gold bar. I need the code for the combination. I bet it's in that safe, isn't it? I don't know what the code is, though. Oh, I don't need you. I'm sorry. Not to make you mad or anything. Okay, it doesn't help. Oh god, here comes the owner. Don't worry guys, he can't find us. Oh god. Turn off, turn off. Oh god, please tell me. Please tell me he's not coming. I don't want him to find me. He's going to find me, isn't he? Oh my gosh. Just go to bed. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. I might not be as organized as I thought previously. ¿Dónde está la owner? Does he know? Oh gosh. I mean, either way, I can't go around the house with the owner inside. Right? Oh, I escaped. I can escape. Oh, nice! Nice. I am an organized thief. Okay. Oh yeah, I can play this again. I didn't think I could escape. I thought I had to get everything. Okay. What's on my list? Portrait of a lady. A digital camera. The game console. Game console's over here. Nope, the DVD player's over here this time. Computer tower, guitar, silver candlestick, gold bar. I can never get the gold bar though. Frying pan. Toaster's not even in the kitchen anymore. What kind of toaster isn't in the kitchen? Throw it. And it didn't break. Thought this was on Unity, and it might be. I really just don't know. There it is. And the money stack. Okay. No messing around anymore. Okay. Silver candlestick. Up. Okay. Digital camera. Where was it? Digital? I think I know where the game console is. Money. Money. Okay, well the game there's the perfume. I wish I would have known where that was. Locked. Oh yeah. The key's downstairs, of course. Okay. Game console. Portrait of a lady. Portrait of a lady. That's a mirror. Stop texting me. My goodness. Okay. This means I'm screwed. I'd better get going. The key's not there. I'm in trouble. Portrait of a lady. None of you are portraits of ladies. Oh! It's you! Portrait of a lady. That's a very specific necessity there. Oh, la guitarra. Necesito la guitarra. Sí, por favor. Computer tower and a digital camera. Well, yo no sé dónde es la computador. Pero okay. Oh, digital camera. Okay. That's helpful. I need the computer. ¿Dónde está la computadora? I mean, the owner's gonna be here in minutes. Seconds, even. Yep. There he is. Just... Don't even. I've got everything except for two things. How bad is that? You know what? I'm gonna go beat the crap out of him. I'm gonna assault him with pepper spray. And by pepper spray, I mean perfume. His own perfume. Yeah? Well, guess what? Boom! Oh, that didn't slow you down at all. Oh my god. Oh my god, that didn't stop you at all! Close the door! Oh my god! No! Stop! God dang it! God dang it! I gotta admit, he's pretty sexy without a face, you know. Well, I failed. Let's do this one more time. I mean, I at least got to see that owner's face again. He was pretty freaking sexy. This time, you know what? Let me just see. Bicycle. That's in the garage. Bye. I'm just gonna tear up this guy's house for assaulting me. Nothing will be in... Oh! That just went through the wall. Okay. That's Illuminati right there. Bicycle. Barbecue. Boom. I had to open it. I take the entire thing. Where am I putting this? Seriously, am I really putting this in my butt? I wouldn't be surprised at this point. A diamond ring, a mobile phone, a painting, and a gold bar. Well, I think I know where the gold bar is. I'm like 100% sure that it is in that safe. Because it's always on the list and I don't know how to get into that safe. Painting. That's a painting. Perfect. Okay. See what's in here. Just money. But that's good. Helps my score. Okay, jewelry box is on the list. Quit glitching. Helps if I have the office key. Okay. Useless. What's in here? Oh, just a trash can. What? Where'd it go? What? Donde está? Okay. I see how it is. Oh, God, I thought he was pulling in. I'm like, the freaking clock didn't even ring. This guy's on a very tight schedule, and he never thinks to, you know. Oh, wait. There's money in there. He never ever thinks to freaking... You know what? Wonder what would happen if I, like, barricaded the door. You know what I mean? I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna barricade the door. Can I pick up the sofa? You can pick up pillows. I want to pick up the entire sofa. No? I can pick up this table, I bet. Or this table. No. Well, that's a home phone, not a mobile phone. What am I holding that's preventing me from moving? There he comes. Let's see if the barricade works. Open. Close. Just hang on. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna sit in here for a while until I'm sure he's inside and walked around a little bit. So I'll be right back, and don't worry, you'll see future Leo. He'll pick up where I leave off. Watch this. I'm gonna make a cut. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! Hey, no, hey. Oh my God. Okay. Well, I was gonna say something after I made the cut, but I don't think I will anymore. You scared the crap out of me. That wasn't fair. That wasn't fair. Well, guys, that was a very organized thief, and I will make at least one more episode of this. I'm determined to win. I'm 100% determined. Until then, like or favorite if you enjoyed, leave a comment and tell me what you thought, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye!